Hey guys, what's up? It's Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for coming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any DIY. Today we're going to get started on this MCM piece. I picked up this piece along with 2 matching nightstands, so that's always a bonus. As you can see, it's in pretty good shape, but it does need a really good cleanup. Really like how some of these old sets have these built-in jewelry holders to put your watch, your rings, things like that. This one happens to be marked with its maker's mark. I find that most pieces of furniture are not, but every now and then you come across that mark. It's always a good thing to check it out, do a little research, make sure that you're not working on a super valuable piece before you get started. I'm going to be using Green Ease cleaner carried by Wise Owl. I'm just going to put about an ounce in a bucket of warm water and get to it. This guy, as all pieces, need a new good scrub down, so we're going to get it inside and out. Really love this cleaner. It's very versatile. If you use it full strength, it'll actually strip, dilute it, and it just cleans so good and doesn't leave behind a residue, and it doesn't smell. Those are all bonuses for me. It's amazing what can come off these old pieces. The look I have in mind today is keeping in line with the modern look of these pieces. Top of this piece was just a little bit rough where that wood veneer had just had some wear from over the years. So I'm just going to give it a light sanding with 220 just to smooth it down so it's nice and smooth before we get going. Okay, we have to take a break. I got to show you guys something. I'm babysitting my daughter's baby Sphinx cat, and I have to say, if I didn't love my kid so much, I would totally steal this cat. He is adorable and so smart. All right, back to business, guys. Let's get started with some Wise Owl primer in white. I'm just going to brush this on using my Klingon S50. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just needs to be consistent and not have any places where I dripped it, anything like that. We just want a nice smooth start to our piece. Primer is a really good way to help make sure that you block out any tannins that might pull through in your paint job. It also, of course, helps your paint adhere. Today I decided to try Waverly Paint. I have to say, it's been a while, years actually, since I tried this paint. Right out of the container, it was coming out pretty thick, so I decided to dilute it just a little bit. You know, I'm a DIY and wise out girl, so using this chalk paint with so much acrylic in it, just kind of a weird thing for me, but I'm gonna give it a go. Now I put the white primer with hopes that I wouldn't have to use so much paint, so let's see how many coats it takes to get full coverage on here. One coat of white primer, and it looks like it's gonna take 2 coats of Waverly. Let's go ahead and pull that tape and see how our line looks. Oh, that came out pretty good. Let's see if we can flip it around and not mess it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my tape back on, try to get that line as straight and close to the edge of my white line as possible. Here's the secret to clean, crisp lines. You want to go back over your tape with your original color. That way, if you get any bleed through from your second color, it's going to be your original color that's actually bleeding. Let's grab this second color of Waverly I picked up. This is a nice, like a taupey kind of color. Very, very neutral, clean, and classic. We're going to paint right back over our tape line. It took me 3 coats of this color to get full coverage. Something super satisfying about pulling your tape and getting a perfect line.
Oh, it feels weird.
Being that these cats don't have any fur, you really have to give them a bath about every 10 days to get all those oils and dirts off of them. Poor little guys. but they'll get used to it. Didn't have the guts to try the Waverly top coat, so I'm going to stick with my true favorite, which is 1 hour enamel in clear satin. Last thing that you want to happen is to do something like this, something white especially, and have your top coat turn yellow. Now, I'm not saying that Waverly top coat would do that because I wouldn't know. I've never used it. But I do know that this top coat will not. The hardware was original that came with this piece. I cleaned it up very well and decided that it was perfect just the way it was for this modern look. And here we are, a full set for someone. Can't wait to see who picks this one up. As always, these products and these furniture pieces are available at Windmill Vintage Designs in Albuquerque, New Mexico. You can find the products on my website, not Waverly. You can find that at Walmart. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are awesome. And don't forget, only you can make it happen. I'll see you next time.